Drop it. Okay. I'll put the part numbers in the description. Okay. Flip it back over. Let's go up on our jack. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna put some Loctite, some of that blue Loctite. Okay. See if it's at least lined up. Okay. Alright, it's lined up. Throw the top bolt in there. Got the bottom bushing. So it's like this, and it's got another plate on the bottom. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and snug that up, and then I'm gonna try to get this side. This side's got a lot less room. But look at the gap. I don't know if you can see the gap. That's how much they're worn out.